So these are some words related to the Glück. The Sache mit dem Glück means the things that we can relate with the Glück, good luck. So different people have said different quotations like glücklich allein ist das Herz. Glücklich means happy, happiness. Alone is the heart, the love that loves. It's a saying said by Wolfgang von Goethe. Goethe, Goethe is a very famous philosopher, writer, historian from Germany. Okay, so Goethe, this is the full name of Goethe. So he said, happiness alone is the heart that loves. Then second person, Augustinus, these are all philosophers. They said, glücklich ist, wer alles hat, was will. Means happiness is or happy is who has everything, what he wants. Happy is someone who has everything, what he wants. So this is another definition given by this person. Another person says, Glück ist Übungssache. Wir machen oft nur die falschen Übungen. Means happy, this is Glück is here, good luck. And glücklich is happy. This is good luck. Good luck is Übungssache means thing of practice. It's a thing of practice. Good luck. We do often only wrong practices. Wir machen oft nur die falschen Übungen. That's why we don't have good luck. Na? Not everyone has good luck. So he's saying this is a thing of practice and we do wrong practice. Then glücklichen sind neugierig means the people who are happy, they are curious, neugierig. So it's a quotation given by this Friedrich. And this is the last quotation, Glück ist das Zusammentreffen von Fantasie und Wirklichkeit. Means good luck is the Zusammentreffen, meeting together of fantasy and reality. Means when reality and fantasy meet together, it becomes good luck. That is your good luck. This is said by Alexander. So people have given different quotations. So here you can see some difficult words like Herz, if you do not know, neugierig, Glück, Übungssache, Übungen, Zusammentreffen, Wirklichkeit. So now there is a question, was macht glücklich? What makes happy? Means if you tell about yourself, what makes you happy? Means how can you keep yourself happy? Different people have different way of being happy. Like if I say, ich arbeite gern, ich unterrichte Deutsch. So dann bin ich glücklich. Wenn ich keine Arbeit habe, bin ich nicht glücklich. So I am happy if I work. If I don't have work, I am unhappy. So this is for me. So how will you say about yourself?
So schwimmen, Ziogen,
Joggen,
Ziogen, dann bin ich glücklich.
or you can say schwimmen, joggen oder Sport treiben, to play sport. Or dann bin ich glücklich. Wenn ich schwimme, wenn ich jogge, wenn ich Sport treibe, dann bin ich glücklich. Then I am happy.
So finish का मतलब I am.
Yes. If I play, I am happy. Or I will be happy. Ich bin or bin ich. Okay, now we read this small text and the title is Neue Liebe, Neues Glück, new love and new good luck. So this is written by a person called maybe we get to know later on who is this person. Selena, I think the name. So we'll see. You read.
Neue Liebe, neues Glück.
Hmm.
So, new people, new luck.
New love, Liebe,
Heute ist
Liebe, Liebe. New love, new good luck.
ja, new luck. Heute ist in der Sendung Selena Giashero
Hmm.
zu Gast.
Ha. Today in the program, it's a program, a news program. Today in the program, Sendung program, Selena Giacro is Sugast. She is the guest here. Huh? She is the guest, and she will tell
Yes.
about herself.
Während ihres Studiums
Huh?
lernte sie in Italien ihren Mann kennen.
Huh. So what is the verb here? Kennen lernen means get to know. Get to know. So she got to know her husband in Italy during her studies. Wherend means during. This is genitive preposition or temporal. This is temporal preposition. Sir. During her studies, she got to know her husband in Italy.
Then we have nach ihrem Studium arbeitete sie für einen,
Einige Jahre.
einige Jahre freiberuflich als Grafikerin in Frankfurt.
Yes. After her studies, she worked for few years. Freiberuflich means freelancer as a graphic designer
As
in
a designer
in Frankfurt. Graphic designer on computer.
So what is freiberuflich?
Freelancer, understand, independently, not a job, but independent work.
Ihr Mann war während dieser Zeit als Lehrer in Florenz tätig.
Tetish.
Her man
Husband.
Her husband was
During, where and where again, during this site means during this time period was
als Lehrer all learn
no.
he teaches
Yes.
in Florence.
Yes.
Name place.
Florence is a city in Italy. So he Tetish, he was working as a teacher in Florence. Als Lehrer, as a teacher. So husband was in Florence, teacher, and she was in Frankfurt as graphiker.
Nur lebt Selena seit 3 Jahren mit ihrem Mann in Florenz. So so she lives.
Yes.
So she lives 3 years with his husband in Florence.
Yes. Nun. Now she has been living with her husband since 3 years. Means now they are together.
Vor ihrem Umzug haben ihr viele Freunde abgeraten. For them, so what is Umzug? I don't know.
Umsuk shifting means before she shifted from her earlier place. She was not.
So after shifting, like before shifting, they have many friends.
Who discouraged, abgeraten means discouraged Selena, that where are you going, with whom are you going, do you know this man or not? Because she got to know during studies in Italy. So her friends abgeraten means they discouraged her that she should not go with this man. But
Aber Selena Giashero ist glücklich mit ihrer Entschuldigung.
Entscheidung, decision,
Yeah,
Entscheidung, decision.
Entscheidung decision. So it was a good luck decision by Selena Gershau.
Glücklich happy, but Selena is happy with her decision. Mit here with her decision.
Then war, waren des Sommers bekommt sie häufig Besuch aus Deutschland und sie selbst reist regelmäßig nach Frankfurt, um Kunden zu treffen.
Yes.
So during this summer,
Mhm.
she becomes she searches for
She
job in
no, she gets frequently visit from Germany. Frequently visit Besuch from Germany during summer. Means people from
visits
Germany visit her during summer, and
people
she's
from
yes, and she self travel regularly to Frankfurt in order to meet customers, Kundan, because her work is like that. She has to visit the customers uh, because she is working in Frankfurt. So this is about the life of Selena. Now there are 5 sentences, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to see whether these sentences are given in the text or not.
Bevor Selena nach Italien umzog, waren viele Freunde dagegen.
Dagegen means against. Before Selena shifted to Italy, many friends were against it.
Yes.
This line is given, na? Highlighted, 1 number. Okay. So we have to find the line also. This is second.
Then alles sie in Frankfurt Arbeit war Selina Mann ins Florina Tatisch. So this is also true.
Correct, है ना? When Selena working in Frankfurt, her
And his husband is teaching there.
in Florence. So this is
Yeah.
also given here. Während dieser Zeit als Lehrer in Florence tätig. This is the line we can mark. Okay. Next.
And we have viele Freunde besuchen sie im Sommer.
Yes.
This is wrong, I guess.
It is correct. This na während des Sommers kommt sie häufig Besuch aus Deutschland. Means she get visit very frequently from Germany. Means people used to visit. So maybe friends, not unknown people can visit you. So during summer, she get visit. Sentence is written in other way round, but the meaning is same. She used to get visits from Germany.
Alle sie mit ihrem Studium fertig war, arbeitete sie in Deutschland. So this is false, I guess, because she does not work in Deutschland.
Yes, she is working in Frankfurt. Frankfurt is in Germany.
Okay. Yeah.
So also,
That part is okay.
as she finished her studies, तो studies इटली में हुई थी, ठीक है, उसके बाद जर्मनी आई. शी वॉज वर्किंग इन जर्मनी. तो करेक्टरिस्टिक ये रहा ना, फ्राई बेरूफलिश ये लिखा ना, नाक हिराम स्टूडियम. देखो आफ्टर हर स्टडीज शी वर्किंग फॉर सम ईयर्स फ्राई बेरूफलिश इन
Praktikieren in Frankfurt.
या तो फ्रैंकफर्ट इज इन डॉइचलैंड.
Selena lernt ihren Mann kennen, als sie noch studiert. So I cannot understand.
Selena got to know Canon Lernan. First line. Selena got to know her husband when she was studying. Als. Als means when. In the past tense, when we use als, it means when. When I was there, when I was studying. In the past, we use als. So this is the first line. Während ihres Studiums lernte sie. This is given. So all these sentences are given in the text. And we have found the lines also. This is the line. So what? Yes. So what we have seen here, the grammar, temporal preposition first of all, like for. For means before. For dem Umzug, before the shifting. This is the example. Nach. Nach means after. after the shifting, nach dem Umzug. Then während is also called genitive preposition, like during the studies, während des Studiums. So these three,
So why can't we use them यहाँ पे?
because genitive में dare को des बनाते हैं, तो इसीलिए ये genitive है, only this is genitive ना, rest two are dative, तो इसलिए demo हुआ. Genitive में des होता है. So these three preposition you will note down.